Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change the key battery on your Suzuki Swift Sport. So let's get started. First, you will need few things: a small flathead screwdriver and a new battery of Suzuki Swift Sport. So step 1. Insert the flathead screwdriver gently into the joint. Twist the screwdriver to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to use too much force. Now step 2. Once you have opened the fob of your Suzuki Swift Sport, note the orientation of the old battery before removing it. You will need to place the new battery in the same way. Now step 3. Take your new battery and insert it into the compartment. And after that, step 4. Snap the two halves of the fob back together. You should hear a click when it's securely closed. Now step 5. Test the key fob to make sure it's working. You can do this by pressing any button and checking if your Suzuki Swift Sport responds. So by this method, you can change the Suzuki Swift Sport key fob. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.